O Prophet, tell them, if you have your fathers, your son, your brother, your wives or husband for wives, and your relative, and the wealth that you have accumulated with great effort, and the trade whose consequences you fear, and those buildings that you love, that you have built with great love. If these 8 things are more beloved to you than Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, and by doing jihad in His way, then go get lost. Go and wait until Allah passes His judgment, and Allah does not give guidance to such ungrateful people. Is there a need for any other elaboration? The system of jihad. That we have defamed this jihad, we have defamed it. We have defamed the most sacred term that belongs to sanctity of Quran and our religion. We have disgraced it in the worst possible way, and it is not only the work of the enemies who are responsible for it, we too are responsible